Hello, my loves. I am so sorry that I was not able to be with you today. However, I did want to make sure that you had everything you needed to have a successful day in math class. So I wanted to talk to you about where to go to see your assignments. If you look right here, I have hit my Google Classroom spreadsheet, whatever, however I see all of my classes. I'm going to go to my second period class. It should be one of these with the college banner. I'm going to go to my class because that's where I have my work posted right now, but it will be in all classes on Thursday. And then I'm going to go to classwork. And if you look, today is Thursday, October 1st. So Thursday, October 1st, you will actually see this lesson right here. It's actually scheduled right now, but it will be active and live for you to complete on Thursday. If you read the directions, we need to make sure that we follow all of our directions. I will have this video posted both here and in the stream. Then there's a Nearpod for you to do. Make sure you do every single slide. Don't forget to click submit on the slides that ask you to do something. So if there's a quiz or a poll or a collaboration board, remember to put in your answer and then click submit so that I can see your work as well. Your exit ticket is in your Nearpod. Once you have completed your Nearpod, click mark as done or turn in on the side of this assignment page. Awesome. So today you're going over dividing decimals. Day one, very straightforward, or I tried to keep it very straightforward with the problems so that you could pay attention to the decimal placement. Something else you might want to pay attention to is the purple numbers that appear in your Nearpod. The first 5 people to text me the first purple number that shows up in your Nearpod will win a prize during community meeting. So make sure that you know that you are paying attention and you know what you're looking for. All right. Have a wonderful day. And if you have any questions, please text me. Your assignment will be ready for you, and this video will be on both your stream and in your assignment for you. I love you guys. Have a great day.